Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want a trusted software that will organizingly hold your password with a bunch of security method and it will be safe in a vault, so 1Password stand forward in this system, in this point. So 1Password is a password manager that can actually save your time by suggesting you strong password or entering your safe password, or it can actually protect your account, and it can scan for some issues if there's any issue in your security or in your security of any account. So you can easily access this 1Password on your system by simply go to the 1password.com and simply click on get started free. So you just need to click on it and you will find their plan here. You can find there different types of plan that offering different types of features that you can enjoy by purchasing them. So right now I want to continue with the free version here. So like this, let me show you. Yeah. So now you can just get different types of features and the details. You can read all of this here, but at the bottom here there might be some free trials. Here it is, try for 40 days free. So here is the 40 days free trial, so I'm going to try it for 40 days here. Also get the free trial from here, so I'm going to click on it. Now from here we can add the 1Password browser extension for our Google Chrome browser, or if you're using Mozilla Firefox or the Microsoft Edge, then you can also get that extension. It's also available in those browser. So you can simply click on add extension and it will just take me to the Chrome web store where we can just add this extension to our library. So we can add this 1Password extension. Here you can see the extension file is downloaded and the extension is just added to our Chrome browser. Now we have to create an account with our name and email address. So I'm going to enter my name here, then the email address. So just like this, or you can get emails or the news. You can sign up to their newsletter by simply click on these simple boxes here. Now you can simply click on next. Now it's time to verify your email address, so you have to go to your email address and search for the code that you have got from 1Password. So I'm going to get the code. Here is the verification code, so I'm going to copy that code from here. Sorry for that, actually it is like this. And I'm going to paste that code here. Now simply click on next. Now 1Password security is uniquely strong. So yeah, okay, I know that. So we just need to create a unique and password, a strong password with 10 and more characters. So I'm going to add a password like so. I have just added the password here, so I don't want to save it here. So add a payment method. We can add a payment method, so we can just subscribe to the 1Password. So we can just set up the extension here. So we can add a gift card here. So you can add a gift card here, or you can add a payment method here if you want. So from here. So we are going to create account and our payment method later. We are going to add our payment method later. So for this video we are creating a demo account right now. So here, get your unique security code. So you have to generate a unique security code here. So you can save that PDF. So here is the security code or emergency kit. If you have lost the access of your account, or you have forget your credentials, or you can get access of your 1Password account, so you can use this emergency kit. So make sure that you have you have to store this PDF file in somewhere safe. Now simply click on next button here. Now you can invite your other family members, but I'm going to skip it for now. Now it's time to set up our extension, so simply click on continue. Now learn how to use 1Password. Here is a tutorial for themselves, so you can get this tutorial. So but we are going to tell you every single steps that how you can use 1Password extension and what tools works for, what tools you should use when. So pin the 1Password extension to your browser's toolbar, so you can pin it. So it is asking for, so it's a mandatory step. So continue setting up in 1Password. So open 1Password, you can simply click on open 1Password, and here is the 1Password dashboard. It is mini, but don't worry, here is your 1Password account, or this actually your account ID. So this actually account ID, your identification like your first name, your last name, your email address, and every notes for you. There's a support website that you can get support from here. Then the tags here, so you can get the starter kit from this section here. Now get to the main account. So here is the main account where you can see already account has been from 1Password accounts, username and password has been saved here. So if we just save any password or we log into any account through using this browser that the extension is installed, so it will ask for save that password. When we simply click on save, so it will just list that password in this section just like this, and it will show the password strength here, that it is actually in excellent health. And you can find that website URL also where you have created that account. Then you can add some note here, so you can see it has automatically added the note here. Now open and fill, you can simply click on open and fill. So here is the password, so sign in. So here you can see I have just signed into the main dashboard where we can find all vaults. So we can, in all vaults, we can view our all password till now that we have saved till now in this account. So this is actually our main dashboard or the bigger dashboard where we can get the all items that are actually listed in our 1Password account. Then we can get the favorites, so we can make that any passwords favorite. So you can simply click on it, and you can just make it or you can edit it just like this. You can change the title, change the name, change another website URL, and also you can change the note from here. So it's pretty much simple, and you can also add a tag to remember this thing. Now from here you can watchtower, get the watchtower here. So you can find that overall password strength, it will calculate all the password strength if all overall A to Z password is on good condition. So if these are good condition, then you can find this scale on very good. So it will count it in 1000 score. So right now it is on 9988. So it pretty much safe right now. Now you can find your login credentials that you have added, and identities like your personal details that you have added in some website and you have saved on 1Password. So you can use all of these credentials for further use on other login or other website login or account creation. So you can find recently deleted file here. So if you delete any item from here, like you can simply click on delete here, and you can delete labels here, or actually let me see how you can delete it. You can simply click on this three dot button and you can find this delete button. So you can delete that password and credential, and you can find the deleted credentials in recently deleted, from where you can recover that credentials, or you can completely delete it from your browser or this application. So that's all, pretty much all things. So you can find also some all vaults private section where your private passwords will be saved here and also shared, that all the password will be listed here that you have shared with someone, or you have created to share with someone, or you created that password with any other by sharing the credentials. So that's the pretty much all things. So from here you can just manage accounts, and these are the settings that you can set up according to your needs. And yes, you can add new app items here by tap on this new item plus new item button. You can find this button in every section. In all vaults you can also get that new item button here, where you can add a login credentials or secret code note or the credit card, identity, password or document. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.